Hi, in this video we will cover some more properties of square numbers. So let us quickly recap the properties which we have already learned. The first property of the square numbers is that any square number will never have 2, 3, 7 or 8 as its ones digit. The second property is that if a square number ends with zeros, then the number of zeros will always be even. And the third property of square numbers which we have covered is that any square number can be written as sum of consecutive odd numbers. Now let us look at the next property of square numbers. How many non-square numbers lie between two consecutive square numbers? Let us see. So suppose I have a 1 square and the next consecutive square number will be 2 square, correct? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. And how many non-square numbers lie between 1 and 4? 2 and 3. So there are total 2 numbers. Let us take 3 square, which is 9, and the next square number will be 4 square, which is 16. Let us see how many non-square numbers lie between 9 and 16. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Between 9 and 16. And how many are these numbers? There are total 6 numbers. Now let us go ahead and take one more example. 5 square, which is 25, and 6 square, which is 36. Let us see how many non-square numbers lie between 25 and 36. So we have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. All these numbers lie between 25 and 36 and they are non-square numbers. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically there are 10 numbers that lie between the square of 5 and 6. So what do we note here? That between 1 square and 2 square there are 2 numbers. This 2 is nothing but twice of the first square number. 2 times 1. This one here. Between 3 square and 4 square we have 6 numbers. And how do we obtain this 6? By multiplying this 3 by 2. 2 times 3. Between 5 square and 6 square we have 10 numbers. And how do we obtain a 10? By multiplying this first number 5 by 2. Okay, so we derive a very important property here that if we have square of n and square of the next consecutive number n plus 1 square, then the number of non-square numbers lying between the square of n and n plus 1 is equal to 2 times of this, which is 2n. I hope this property is clear to everyone. Let us do one example. How many numbers lie between square of 7 and 8. So basically this is 7 square, 8 square, and we have to fill in all the numbers that lie in between 7 and 8 square. We have just seen the property that how many numbers will lie between 7 and 8 square? It will be equal to 2 times of the first number, which is 2 times 7. So the answer is 14. How many numbers will lie between the square of 7 and 8? The answer is 14 numbers will lie between the square of 7 and 8. And we can actually check it. 7 square is 49. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 and 63. 8 square is 64. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and a 14, which is the answer which we have got. Okay, so I hope this property is understood to everyone. That in our next videos we will be covering some more properties of square numbers. Till then, if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.